Hello everyone, heartiest welcome to online classes of Saraswati Education Group Bhadrajun. This is our class 6th subject maths and our exercise number 5.4. Okay, now what we'll do is actually in our previous video I have solved questions up to question number 2nd. Now I will go towards our question number 3rd, which is question number 3rd is write down the measures of. Question number 3rd is write down the measures of question number 3rd is what? Write down the measures of. A is number 3rd and part A is what? Some acute angles. Okay. B is what? RB is some obtuse angles. And C, give at least 2 examples of each. Okay, we have to give at least 2. Okay, कम से कम 2 एग्जांपल्स देने हैं, है ना. तो देखो सम एक्यूट एंगल्स. भाई एक्यूट एंगल का जो मेजर है, आई हैव ऑलरेडी टॉट यू अबाउट द मेजरमेंट, एग्जैक्ट मेजरमेंट ऑफ एक्यूट एंगल्स. Actually any angle which is less than 90 degree is always acute angle. Any angle which is less than 90 degree is always an acute angle. Okay, so what we have to do is some acute angles, when we will go for calculating, or we will calculate some acute angles, then 60 degree is acute angle, 30 degree is acute angle, because both are less than 90 degree. Okay, 45 degree is an acute angle. Okay, so these are 3 examples, some acute angles. And some obtuse angles. Measurement of any obtuse angle is actually any angle greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Any angle which is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is always a obtuse angle. Okay, so some examples are what? 120 degree, okay, 150 degree, 160 degree, etc. We can take numerous examples, है ना. A number of examples means बहुत से examples हम लोग सेट कर सकते हैं, होने इस बीच में चाहिए. तो ये आगे ठीक. चलिए, this is our question number 3rd. Now we will go towards our question number 4th, which is measure the angle given below using the protractor and write down the measures. Okay, I am going to write this question and you have to do it yourself. Okay, which angle has a larger measure? Okay, this question can be taught by seeing only. Okay, so our question number 4th is what? Measure the angles given below using the angles given below using. दिस क्वेश्चन कांट बी स्किप. इसको स्किप नहीं किया जा सकता, मतलब मैं स्किप नहीं कर रहा हूँ, इसलिए केवल यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ. आपको सभी को ये पता होगा कि जब तक ये बुक है ना, जिसमें कि आपके ये मेजर्स दिए ना एंगल्स के, मेरे हिसाब से आपको विजिबल होंगे. ये मैं बनाऊंगा जरूर आपके बोर्ड पे, लेकिन आपको मालूम है कि ये प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चन है. यहाँ बोर्ड पे इस बुक को, जैसे ये बुक है, ये बुक जब स्टूडेंट्स के सामने होगी तब तो उनको बताया जा सकता है कि भाई प्रोटेक्टर लगा के कितना है ये, है ना. तो एक तो जो प्रोटेक्टर बच्चों वाला होता है, बच्चों वाला मीन्स जो प्रोटेक्टर एक्चुअल जो होता है छोटा वाला, है ना, वो अवेलेबल नहीं है. सेकंड चीज़ आपके ये है कि भाई ये क्वेश्चन जब आप स्टूडेंट सामने होंगे ना, तभी केवल बताया जा सकता है प्रोटेक्टर लगा के. ठीक है ना. तो मैं यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ, और भाई लगभग जो मतलब सेंस के हिसाब से या गैस करके कि अनुमानतः इतना हो सकता है, उस हिसाब से मैं इनके मेजरमेंट्स लिख दूंगा. बाकी आपके जो एक्चुअल है वो तो आपको जब आप खुद बुक होगी आपके सामने तभी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं क्वेश्चन को, ठीक है। बुक होगी तो आप खुद ही कर सकते हैं, और अगर भाई खुद नहीं कर सकते तो आप लोग जब आएंगे ना तो टीचर लोग करा देंगे आपसे, तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी। लेकिन आपको ये ज़रूरी है कि भाई बुक होनी चाहिए आपके सामने, ठीक है ना। ऑनलाइन मोड पे ये क्वेश्चन उतनी अच्छे से नहीं किया जा सकता जितने के सामने से होगा, ठीक है जी। चलिए फिर भी मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। मेजर द एंगल्स गिवन बिलो यूजिंग द प्रोटेक्टर, using the protractor okay, what is there? Question of fourth is measure the angles given below using the protractor and write down the measures and protractor and write down the measure and write down the measure and write down the measure. Okay, so what is there? A part is what? This is our part A. This is our part A. Okay, this is our part A, and this is what? This is our part B. Okay, this is our part C. This one is our part D, which is figure is very complex. Okay, and I hope it is clearly visible to you. If not, then I will see and make you visible. Okay, this is and this is. This is part D. Okay, three is there. Measure the angles given below using the protractor and write down the measures. Okay, so now I hope it is clearly visible and clearly audible to you all. Okay, so just write down, then only I will start answering each and every question one by one. Okay, I am going to write the category of, okay, this angle is looking less than 90, and how much is measurement, you have to do it yourself. Okay, so this is your homework. Okay, and category is acute angle. Okay, this is also your homework. You have to look for this, that what measurement is this, or of what measurement is this angle. I am going to write the category. This is more than 90 and less than 180, hence this is obtuse angle. This is obtuse angle. Okay, acute angle, obtuse angle. Now we will go for this one. What is that? This is our right angle. This is a perfect shape of a right angle. This is a perfect shape of a right angle. Okay. Now what is that? Both the angles are actually, this is right angle and of 90 degree. Okay. And these both you have to measure yourself using tool and write down. I am going to write the category which is acute angles. These two are acute angles. This is obtuse angle. This is our obtuse angle, and this is also homework for you. Okay, exact measurement you have to measure yourself and write down. Okay, I hope now it is clear that you have to do it yourself. Okay, I am going to rub these all and will go towards our question number 5th. Okay, make a screenshot or just write down, no problem there, by doing the choosing the pause button. Okay, our number 5th is what? Number 5th one is question number 5th is which angle has a larger measure? First estimate then measure. Okay, which angle has a large measure? विच एंगल हैज ए लार्ज मीजर. ठीक है, विच माने कौन से, एंगल माने कौन का, हैज मीन्स रखता है, ए लार्ज मीजर मतलब बड़ा माप, किस कोण का बड़ा माप है. फर्स्ट एस्टीमेट देन मीजर. फर्स्ट एस्टीमेट and then measure. First estimate and then measure. Okay, this is A, that's B. This is A. This is our A, and B is what? B is this one. This is our B. Okay. Which angle has a large measure? First estimate and then measure. Measure of angle A equals to measure of angle B equals to measure of angle A. Angle A equals to and measure of angle B equals to measure of angle A equals to measure of angle B equals to. Good. Measure of angle A equals to and measure of angle B equals to. Okay, so two angles are there. First one is A and second one is B, and what we have to do is, listen, measure of angle A equals to and measure of angle B equals to. First guess, then this angle is looking, है ना, this angle is looking like 60 degree, and you have to measure yourself. You have to measure yourself. Okay, I have estimated. Okay, first estimate then measure. I have just estimated this angle is 60 degree, and what is the actual measure? You have to measure and write. Okay, this angle is looking in between. Okay, between 60 and 90 degree, between 60 degree and 90 degree. Now you have to measure and write. Okay, you have to measure yourself, you have to measure yourself, you have to measure yourself and write down, and write down. Okay, good. And only, okay, which angle has a larger measure? Angle B has a larger measure, no doubt. Angle B has a large measure, angle B is greater than angle A. Okay, good. Number 6 is what? From these two angles which has larger measure, estimate and then confirm by measuring them. From these two angles which has larger measure. Now we will go to for our question number 6th. Okay, and for going towards question number 6th, I am going to rub question number 5th. If this exercise is not satisfying you, then it will be done inside your classroom whenever you will get back to your school. Okay, so no problem is there. If you have any problem, then just wait up to the opening of school, and it will be as you are seeing, जैसे कि आप लोग देख ही रहे हैं कि भाई ये एक्सरसाइज जब टीचर सामने से कराएंगे आपके, है ना, तभी ज़्यादा प्रॉपरली आएगी आपको, इसलिए ठीक है ना। तो अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो जब स्कूल वापस खुलेंगे ना, उस टाइम पे आपको आपके सर जी करा देंगे क्लास में, ठीक है जी। चलिए नेक्स्ट वन देखेंगे अपन। नेक्स्ट वन इज नंबर 6। व्हाट इज नंबर 6? Number 6th one is from two angles which has larger measure, estimate and then confirm by measuring them. Okay, from these two angles. Okay, question number 6 is solely for your homework. No meaning is there for writing this question, because question is only based on the practical things, and that we should have a tool. After that we will measure both the angles and do. Okay, if you want me to write the question, okay, I am going to write the question, and question is completely for your homework. Okay, I am going to write, because some students will not have, if you listen, actually if you don't have book, then how you will measure? Okay, so book should be there for completing this question, and this question is for your homework. You should do at your home side. Okay, and now I am going towards our question number 7th. What is our question number 7th? Fill in the blanks with acute, obtuse, right or straight. Okay, fill in the blanks with blanks. Okay, number 7th is fill in the blanks with acute, fill in the blanks with acute, fill in the blanks with acute, obtuse, fill in the blanks with, number 7th is fill in the blanks with acute, obtuse, right or straight. Obtuse, right or straight. fill in the blanks with acute, obtuse, right or straight. Number A is what? I am going towards A. What is question number 7th and A part? Okay. Question number 7th and A part is an angle whose measure is less than that of a right angle is. An angle whose measure is an angle whose measure is an angle whose 7th is an angle whose measure is less than that of an angle whose measure is less than that of a right angle less than that of a right angle. Right angle is okay. I am going to answer this. Okay, an angle whose measure is less than that of a right angle is. भाई ऐसा कौन जिसका मेजर राइट एंगल से कम होता हो? राइट एंगल मीन्स 90 डिग्री से कम हो, तो 90 डिग्री से कम हो वो सीधे एक्यूट एंगल होता है, इज एक्यूट एंगल. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट? नेक्स्ट वन इज पार्ट बी, एंड पार्ट बी इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 7th एंड पार्ट बी इज an angle whose measure is greater than that of a right angle. An angle whose measure is an angle whose measure is an angle, listen, B is an angle whose measure is greater than that of number B is an angle whose measure is greater than that of a right angle is. Okay, this was our number 7th part B. An angle whose measure is greater than that of a right angle is. Okay, angle is greater than that of a right angle. Actually, just greater than that of a right angle is obtuse angle. No doubt is there that this angle is obtuse angle, but greater is depending on if the angle goes the limit. Okay, angle goes up an obtuse angle is obtuse angle. If the angle goes up to 180, then the angle of 180 degree is always a right angle. Okay, then our choice will be right angle. Okay, okay, obtuse and angle should be, okay, angle should should be less than 180 degree, because if angle will reach up to 180, then it will be a straight angle. Okay, now our part C is what? Part C, question number 7th and part C is an angle whose measure is sum of measures of two right angles is an angle whose measure is an angle whose measure is an angle whose measure is part C is an angle whose measure is an angle whose measure is the sum of measures, the sum of measures C is an angle whose measure is the sum of the measures of two of the measures of two. Okay, C is an angle whose measure is the sum of the measures of two right angles is okay, is a straight angle, is an straight angle, is straight angle. Okay, of two right angles is straight angle. Good. Okay, our part, we will take our part D in our next video. Till then, take care and write each and every question on your rough as well as on your fair notebook. Jai Mata Di.